minimal critical phase going on because of the law language and theoretical part. It took me like one chance and I failed in October. I prepared for the part 1 exam and then I appeared for the exam and I cracked it as well. There I got hope that I can clear part 2 and part 3 as well.
Hello everyone. Welcome in our another new episode of EA podcast series where we dive into the world of taxation, finance and everything in between. Today we have a special guest with us, Hetvi Darji, who holds expertise in taxation matter. I'm your host Nitesha Jain, Assistant Manager of Integrity Academy. Hello Hetvi, welcome to our show.
Hello Nitisha, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
So, we would like to know about your EA journey. You are an enrolled agent and you are with Integrity since last 3 years. So, we would love to know your experiences about this entire EA journey. In how much time did it took for you to clear your EA exams?
I graduated and then I wanted to study CPA. And then when my cousin brother suggested to join Integrity, where we live work with CPAs and we are delivering practical experience with CPAs. So there I joined Integrity, and then on the initial stage I opted for CPA, but one client of mine suggested me for enrolled agent, so I can get in a shorter period than CPA, I can get my professional license in taxation. So that's where my journey with enrolled agent started, and I opted for in December 22 I opted for PT, and then I booked a slot for part 1 examination, where I in minimum period of like 15 to 20 days I prepared for the part 1 exam, and then I appeared for the exam and I cracked it as well. So there my hopes were there I got hope that I can clear part 2 and part 3 as well. So then after February, there in tax season there are no slots available for exam. So after in June I opted for, but there were like many rescheduling going on in the Prometric. So I gave part 2 exam in August, and then I cracked it as well. But the main thing was like in part 1 and part 2 my practical experience helped me a lot cracking the exam. But then in part 3 it was like a minimal critical phase going on because of the law language and theoretical part. So then it took me like one chance and I failed in October, but then I opted for another slot in December. I booked it in a week and I prepared in like 2 to 3 days and again appeared in exam and cracked it as well. So that starting from January and ending in December, it took me a year because of the rescheduling of the exam, but I finally cleared the enrolled agent exam.
That's great. But still, you were able to clear your EA exam in a period of just a year.
Yes.
That's nice. What motivated you for doing this EA course only? And what even helped you in pursuing your studies? What was the main, the things which helped you a lot in clearing your EA exams in this short period?
Yeah. So I was practically preparing and working in the taxation only. I was like from graduation part only. I wanted to work in taxation more. So there a spark came, and an enrolled agent is where you can master in you can get certified in taxation only. So that was the field that I can choose for like my further depth in taxation. So That's why I chose enrolled agent first, and that's how I got it.
That's nice. So before our podcast ends, I just want from you to share your experiences for our future EA aspirants who want to pursue EA. What are your valuable insights to them?
Yeah, so one thing is be prepared, and be prepared for the examination, because there are the slots are not that much open for everybody right now, because they are not available at that time. So whenever you got a chance, you can book a slot, but be prepared first. So if you are prepared, then you can crack the exam at any time, you can book a slot. So that's what it, and the preparation will help you in your regular work day as well.
Right.
So that will be helpful. Be prepared for all the parts, and whenever you got a chance to book a slot, book it at that moment, and you can appear for exam as well.
Nice. So thank you so much, Hetvi, for your valuable feedback and insights to our future aspirants who want to pursue EA or who are making to just excel in this US taxation industry. Thank you so much for this. And thank you so much, everyone. We will meet in another new episode very soon. Till then, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, drop down in the comment section below. Thank you so much. Bye bye.